Next, continue for the topics. Antenna operators. Antenna operator means these concepts of the operators most simply introduced by the considering the receiving of the antenna purpose, that is the receiving of the antenna's rectangular electromagnetic horn immersed in the field of uniform plane wave suggested in given. So the figures, this is the first one. Pointing vectors or power density. Power density value, see that guys, power density value P is equal to E square by Z AP equal to S AP. S equal to E square by Z. Then how to calculate? First given to the value side wave and side wall. Side wall and side wall. Given to front of the wall, what is the length of the wall? E. Okay, length of the wall E. At the same time, back side is the same. E into E square by Z axis. Okay, into AP. Okay, wall ground side you have to pay area means A square, P equal E square by Z into AP. S equal surface means E and AP, A square by Z, that is the P value. Figure plane wave indicated on the electromagnetic horn of the physical operators AP. Okay, next directions of propagations of the plane wave, that is plane wave of the figure. The radiations our beam area omega A from the operators AE. Okay, omega A and operation AE and ER. Next, the electromagnetic horn may be regarded to having the operators the total power of extracts from the passing wave being proportional to the operators of the area or area of the mouth, but the field response of the horn is not a uniform across the operators. Okay, EAP operators means EAP by EAE by AP, that is operator efficiency, where sum of AP equal to operator efficiency. Consider that now the antenna we have a effective operator AE, which rectangle with radius of power, and consider the pattern of the beam area omega A. So P equal E square by Z naught, watts omega value, W watts. Okay, dimensions value. Z naught is a intrinsics of medium, that means 377 ohms for air of vacuum, that means P is equal ER square by Z naught R square EA. Okay, that is the radiations, that means distance of uniform field. Okay, that means sum of omega A equal beam area. Next, aperture beam area relations means lambda square AE into omega A. Okay, D equal D means directivity, 4 pi AE by lambda square. Next, A equal D lambda D equal 4 lambda square by 4 pi. Okay, that is the value of 0.0796 lambda square. D value, maximum value and average value, directive of the patterns, so it's the entire of the values. Okay, next, antenna efficiency. Antenna efficiency is the same, E naught equal to ER-ECED. So this E naught is total efficiency, ER reflections of efficiency, 1 by modulation of R square diameters. Okay, EC conductions efficiency. Okay, ED dielectric efficiency, R voltage reflections efficient in the input terminals of the antenna. R equal Z in minus Z naught by Z in plus Z naught, where Z is the antenna input impedance, Z naught is the characteristics of impedance. Voltage standing wave ratio, VSWR, voltage standing wave ratio, 1 plus modulation of R by 1 minus modulation of R. So E naught equal ER ECD equal ECD by 1 minus ER value. modulation of r square. The antenna radiation efficiency, which can find out the this antenna of the reflection conductions and dielectricless antenna reflections of terminals. These are the input and output terminals antennas. Okay, next go for effective height. Effective height. So this effective height of the antenna length equal lambda by 2. Length is equal lambda by 2. This height h is equal to 1 by I naught sum of 0 to integration of 0 to hp, higher velocity of value, into iz into dz. Okay, I average by I output into hp. He means effective height, hp means physical height, I average means average current. Okay, that is the average of the value. So it operates the effective of the height is useful parameters in transmitting Tower type of antenna. It is also named as application small antenna. The parameters effective approach has been more general applications to type of the antenna. The two have the simple radiations. We have shown the P equal 1 by 4 V square by R square. H square is square into R square. That means radiation resistance values. He value. P is equal S A E. So He equal root 2 into root REAE by Z naught. Okay, this is the totally efficiency of height, that is antenna wave parameters. Antenna wave parameters. And next go for antenna polarizations. Antenna polarization. The polarization of the antenna is given directions of the defined. You have the polarization of the wave transmitting radiated by the antenna. Note that radiation by the antenna. When you have the direction is not stated, if the polarization's radiation energy varies with the directions from the center of the antenna, so that the different parts of the patterns may have two different polarizations. The polarizations of the radiated wave is defined as prototype of the electromagnetic wave describing the time varying directions and the relative magnitude of the electric field and vectors specifically in the figure of the tracked functions in the time of the vectors. Next, polarization of classified into linear, circular, elliptical. So, okay, polarizations is classified into three types: linear wave, circular wave, and elliptical wave. Okay, elliptical wave. So is the totally concept of the linear and circular and elliptical wave means how to these type of figures. See that linear polarizations AR is equal to infinity and AR equal to 1.8 and AR equal to 1 ABC. These are totally linear polarization, elliptical polarization, circular polarizations. These linear, elliptical and polarization means linear polarizations we have to use it for the straight lines 180 degrees. Okay, next elliptical polarizations we are using 45 degrees. Next circular polarizations also we are using for the 45 degrees, but this length of the material is high. Circular polarizations compared to the elliptical polarizations, the length of the circle, this is 1.8 is the elliptical polarizations and AR value is the 1 is circular polarizations. So these are difference of linear polarizations, elliptical polarizations and circular polarizations. Okay, that is called as these are waveforms of the elliptical polarization, circular polarizations and linear polarizations. Okay, next we have to find out we have to discussing the next topic in continue for the tomorrow.